Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote. So there's free parking and you have all these beautiful white houses that you can see up in the distance. And if you look down, you can see towards the port. If we head down to the area, there's lots of restaurants. You've got this area with love locks. And there are also people that walk a bit further down and go swimming. We're going to continue along this coast towards the square, and sometimes there are festivals and events happening here. They usually take place in the evenings. Now we have ended up on the other side and can see all those beautiful white buildings that we originally started at. Many people like to join the boat tours, which you can book in advance or on the spot. The water here is very clear, and on the edge you can see all the fish. Overall, this is great for a day visit. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!